If your Samsung tablet is charging very slowly, you're not alone. This is a common issue faced by many Galaxy Tab users, and in most cases, the problem is not the tablet itself. In this video, we'll break down the exact reasons behind slow charging and explain practical fixes that actually work. Try these steps to fix this. Number 1. Using the wrong charger. One of the most common reasons for slow charging on Samsung tablets is using a low-power charger or a poor quality cable. Many Samsung tablets require higher wattage adapters to charge at normal speed. Using an older phone charger, cheap cable, or non-certified adapter limits power delivery, forcing the tablet to charge at a slower rate. Number 2. Fast charging is disabled. Some Samsung tablets support fast charging, but this feature can be turned off in settings. When fast charging is disabled, the tablet intentionally charges at a reduced speed to conserve battery health. This often happens after a software update or battery reset, and users may not realize the setting has changed. Number 3. Background apps and tablet usage. Charging speed drops significantly when the tablet is being used while plugged in. Running apps, gaming, watching videos, or syncing data consumes power at the same time the battery is charging. This creates the impression of slow charging even though the charger is working normally. Number 4. Dirty or damaged charging port. Dust, lint, and debris inside the charging port can interfere with proper contact between the cable and the tablet. Even a small obstruction can reduce power flow, causing unstable or slow charging. This issue is especially common if the tablet is frequently carried in bags or pockets. Number 5. Weak power source. Charging from a laptop USB port, car charger, or extension board often results in slow charging. These power sources usually provide lower output compared to a wall socket. Samsung tablets are designed to charge efficiently only when connected to a stable, high-power wall outlet. Number 6. Software or system issues. Outdated software or system glitches can disrupt charging behavior. Background services may malfunction, causing unnecessary power drain during charging. Keeping the tablet updated ensures the charging system functions as intended.